Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement a reset or forget password using Supabase in your Flutter application. This implementation is quite different from using Firebase. If you're using Firebase, it's very easy, but with Supabase, it's kind of complicated. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very simpler way how to implement Supabase forget password in your application. So let's just jump straight into it. First of all, I'm going to show you the implementation of how it is done. Right, so I'm going to enter my email address here and I'm going to hit on this button. So once I do that, Supabase is going to send a token, a 6-digit generated token to this particular email. And then I'm going to copy that particular token to reset my password. It's very simple. Right, so let's just get started. Okay, so I'm seeing a confirmation dialog here telling me that the code has been sent. Right, so I should check my email address and copy that particular token. So I'm going to hit on this continue, and then it's showing me that I have to enter my reset token here, and then my email address has been passed from the previous page, and then this is where I'll enter the new password and then the confirm password. So let's go to our email and check whether the token has been sent to us. All right, so this is our email. So you can see that the token has been sent to us. So I'm going to copy this particular token, and yeah, I'm going to copy the token like this, and then I'll jump straight to the code. All right, so I'm going to paste the token here like this, and then I'll enter my new password. All right, so just a new pass, okay, could be anything. Then I'll confirm the password. All right, so once I'm done, I'm going to hit on this to reset my new password. All right, so I'm getting a success message that my password has been reset successfully, and then I can proceed to login. So this is very simple. Now let's just jump to the code, and then I'm going to show you how the actual implementation is done. All right, so this is the code base, right? So I'm going to over here, I assume that you guys are good in UI designs. So I'm not going to take you through how to code UI designs, and then I'm going to show you the implementation on how it is done, right? So just um, just a very simple UI. So over here, the first thing that you see here is the forget password and forget your password, just a text widget. And then there is another text widget over here and telling the user to enter their email address. And then over here, there is another text form, text form, right? That is taking the email controller, right? So this is where the user will enter their email address, and then a very simple button that is actually sending the email address of the user. So we will have to jump straight to the particular function. So it's over here. You could see that on this particular line, this is the most important line. So we are hitting on the Supabase instance, and then we are hitting on that to reset the password for the user. So this particular function here, reset password for email, is coming from Supabase and is taking the email controller. So whatever will happen here, the email that the user will enter will um, Supabase is going to send a token to this particular email, right? And this function is coming from Supabase. Once the email has been sent to the user and it's successful, we are going to see a dialog, right? Then the dialog will tell the user to check their email. The token has been sent to them, blah, blah, blah. And once it's successful, we are directing them to the actual reset page. So you can see the, the redirection over here, happening over here. This is the actual page. And then we are passing the email controller over here. Right, so let's jump straight to the reset page. And then over here, we can see we are getting the email that we passed from the previous screen over here. And then there is another email controller here that is taking the email from the user. There is a password controller, there is a confirm password, a reset token controller, right? Let me show you the UI. Oh, over here, um, you can see that there is a create a new password. That is the text widget over here. And then there is enter the reset password, right? Over here too, we have it here. And there is the first text field, right? So this text field is taking the reset token, right? The reset token controller. So this is where the user will have to enter the password, the token that is being generated from Supabase. Right. Shortly, I'm going to show you how you can set up the token to generate the particular sales token from Supabase right from here. Right. So, and the next thing here is the email controller. So, this is where the user will have to enter their email. And then over here, this text field is taking the new password that the user will want to create, right? And then this particular field is confirming the password. That is very simple. I'm going to show you how to reset the token from Supabase dashboard. All right, so when you come to Supabase, right, this is your Supabase dashboard. Right. So when you come to Supabase, you go to the authentication, and then on authentication, you select emails, right? And then you'll be presented with this particular template. So this is the confirm sign up, invite user. What we are interested in here is the reset password. Once we click on this reset password, we are going to see a confirmation URL over here. That means that once we save this, Supabase is going to send a confirmation URL to us that the user will have to click to reset their password. But we are not interested in that. So we're going to delete this particular confirmation URL and then replace that with the token. In this case, Supabase is going to send a token to us. So you can preview it here. You see that this is the reset token that will be generated from Supabase. And then the user will hit or will copy that particular token to reset their password. Right. It's then simple. Right. So that is all for this. I'm going to show you, yeah, that is all for today. Um, please, this is my first ever YouTube channel. Please do well if this video has ever helped you. Do well to like and subscribe